How to block newly installed applications and browsers using BlockP. Make sure the BlockP is on. Scroll down to apps blocking. Here you can see block newly installed apps and newly installed browsers. You can turn both on. For now I'll be showing only apps, and it works similar to any new browsers. For example, if you install Mozilla or anything like that, new browsers. Let's go to Play Store and try to install TikTok. Now if you try to open the new application that you have installed, it will be automatically blocked. And you can try to open the application again. It will be blocked and you will never be able to open the newly installed application.